Welcome to today's lesson. My name is Miss Bella. In today's lesson, we will be learning about sharing into groups. Remember that in our last lesson, we learned about grouping, but in today's lesson, we will be learning how to share into groups. From our last lesson, we learned that we represent our groups with circles. So if I have a question that says, share 12 cookies into 4 groups, the first thing I'll do is to draw my groups, just like we did in our last lesson. Here we have to draw 4 groups represented with our circles. So that means we have to draw 4 circles. Now to share 12 cookies into 4 groups, we have to share one after another. That means we have to put 1 cookie in each group first and then go on like that till the cookie is finished. If we decide to put random numbers of cookies in each group, we will not share equally. To share equally, we have to start by putting 1 in each group first and then going round till the cookies are finished. So let's start. We've drawn our 4 groups. Next, we have to share the cookies into the 4 groups. Now note that we're sharing the cookies one after the other. So that means we put 1 cookie in each group first. Now that each group has 1 cookie each, we'll go on again and put another cookie in each group again. Now that we've put 1 more cookie in each group, we still have some cookies left. So that means we can still go on and put 1 cookie in each group again. Now that we've done that, we have no more cookies left. And in each group, you can see that we have 3 cookies in each group. We've been able to share these cookies equally because we started out by giving 1 cookie to each group first. When you're sharing and you have to share equally, you need to start by giving out 1 to each group first. Now let's try another one. Let's share 9 pencils into 3 groups. Remember, the first thing to do is draw out your groups represented with circles. So if you're sharing 9 pencils into 3 groups, you have to draw 3 circles. Now that you've drawn the 3 circles, you have to put the pencils in each group one after another. Remember, do not start by putting 2 pencils in one group first. You have to start by putting 1 pencil in each group. When you've done that and you still have leftover pencils, then you can go on and put the pencils in each group again till you have no more pencils. So let's start. Now we've put 1 pencil in each group and we still have leftover pencils. So that means we can give each group another 1 pencil. Now that we've done that, we still have leftover pencils. That means we can still give each group another pencil. Now that we are done sharing the pencil into 3 groups, we notice that each group has 3 pencils each. The pencils have been shared equally amongst the 3 groups. Let's try one more. Let's share 10 oranges into 2 groups. Remember, the first thing you have to do is to draw out your groups represented with circles. So that means you have to draw out 2 circles first. Next thing is to put 1 orange in each circle. You have to keep putting 1 orange in each circle till you've exhausted the number of oranges you have. Now that we are done sharing the oranges into 2 groups, we can see that we have 5 oranges in each group. Remember, to share equally, you have to start by giving out 1 to each group first. That's it for today's lesson, everybody. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.